Hello and welcome to the Humbrol YouTube channel. In this video we're going to focus on the range of Humbrol acrylic spray primers. These primers are available in three colours, number 1 which is grey, number 34 which is white and number 33 which is black. The grey primer, number 1, is perfect for most modelling situations and will suit a variety of different base colours. If you're going to be painting a model with a bright base colour, then matte white 34 primer is the best choice, and likewise if the model you're painting has a dark base colour, then matte black 33 is the best primer to use. The reason we apply primer to the model surface is to help with the adhesion of paint and to make the paint job more durable. A good smooth application of primer is the foundation of a good paint job, so we're going to use Humbrol Acrylic Spray Primer to prepare these models for painting. Before we spray anything, it's important that we read the safety instructions on the back of the can and make sure that we're spraying in a well ventilated area at all times. Some protection has been put down to prevent any spray getting onto the work surface, and the model has been mounted on a Humbrol paintbrush handle to enable it to be moved around without putting any fingerprints on the surface. With the exposed cockpit masked to prevent any overspray getting in there, it's time to apply the first coat of primer. Keeping the can about 20 cm from the surface of the model, a light dusting is applied to bite into the plastic and get us started. This is allowed to dry for 15 to 20 minutes before the second coat is applied. The second coat of primer is an all-over application as evenly as possible, again keeping the can 20 cm from the model. This should block in any areas missed by the initial coat, and after being allowed to dry is finished off with a third and final application just to make sure that everything is 100% covered. The end result is a wonderfully smooth application of primer that has set up this model perfectly for the rest of the painting process. The finish that you're seeing here is straight from the can and hasn't been sanded or polished at all. This is the 1/48 scale Airfix Seafire getting its coats of Humbrol acrylic spray primer. It's a slightly larger model, but the application process is exactly the same. Multiple light coats are used to cover the surface from a distance of approximately 20 cm, being allowed to cure fully in between coats. If we zoom in and take a look at those large surface areas, you'll see just how wonderfully smooth the application of primer has been, setting this model up for its paint job perfectly. So now you've seen how easy it is to apply and just how good the results can be, why not give Humbrol Acrylic Spray Primer a try on your next model as the perfect way to start the painting process. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.